In this video, I am going to present a short dialogue about giving direction to someone who wants to visit the city park in Gunung Sitoli. I will also talk about some local transportation options that people commonly use here. Let's begin the conversation. Excuse me, could you help me? How can I get to the Gunung Sitoli City Park? Sure, it's not far from here. Are you willing to taking public transportation? I prefer public transportation if it's available. Great. You can take a local angkot from here. That's a small public minivan. Look for the one with a blue stripe. It goes past the city park. Where shall I get off? Ask driver to stop near the Yahoo market. It's a big traditional market close to the park. From there, just walk straight for about 5 minutes. The park will be on your right. Thank you. Can I also take a taxi? Yes, but taxis are more expensive and not always available. You can use Gojek or take an Ojek, a motorcycle taxi. It's faster and cheaper. Is the park near any famous landmarks? Yes, it's right behind the Gunung Sitoli Museum and near the Yahoo Park stakes. Perfect. Thank you so much for your help. You are welcome. Enjoy your time here. That was an example of a conversation about giving direction and using transportation. I'm in Gunung Sitoli. I hope this video helps you learn how to speak English in daily situation. Thank you for watching and you in the next video. Hi everyone! In today's video, I am going to show you a conversation about intercity transportation from Gunung Sitoli to another city, like Medan. We'll explore different travel options, their duration, and the advantages of each. Let's check out the dialogue. Hi, I am planning to go to Medan. What's the best way to get there from Gunung Sitoli? There are a few options. You can take a ferry to Sibolga and then continue by bus to Medan. That's the most common route. How long does that take? The ferry takes about 8 hours, and the bus ride from Sibolga to Medan takes around 10 hours. So, we in total about 18 hours. That's a long trip. Is there a faster way? Yes, you can fly from Binaka Airport in Gunung Sitoli to Medan. It only takes about 1 hour by plane. Sounds much better. How much does the flight cost? It depends on the airline and when you book, but usually between 700,000 and 1 million rupiah. What are the pros and cons of each option? Taking the ferry and bus is cheaper and good if you have time and enjoy the view. But it's long and tiring. Flying is much faster and more comfortable, but more expensive. Thanks a lot. I think I'll book a flight. Great choice. Have a safe trip to Medan. So that was a sample conversation about traveling between cities in Indonesia, especially from Gunung Sitoli to Medan. I hope this information is useful for your English practice and travel planning. Thank you for watching and see you next time.